Life can sometimes feel like a wild roller coaster, right? But guess what? You're in the driver's seat, steering the wheel towards your happiness. Today we are diving into 10 simple tips that can be your compass on the journey to a brighter, happier you. Yep, we are talking about your mental health. So fasten your seatbelts and let's explore these incredible steps together. Tip number 1. Chill out with mindfulness. When was the last time you felt truly present? Mindfulness is like a little vacation for your mind. Take a few moments to breathe deeply, focus on the here and now, and just be, without any judgment. Simple practices like mindfulness meditation or grounding exercises can create a sense of calm in the chaos of your daily lives. Embracing this practice daily can help in reducing stress and anxiety, improving focus, and enhancing your overall mental well-being. Tip number 2. Get happy with exercise. Feeling a bit down? Time to lace up those sneakers. Exercise isn't just about shedding calories. It's about unlocking the door to your brain's happiness factory. When you move your body, it releases endorphins, those natural mood lifters. The best part? There is no one-size-fits-all. Whether it's a brisk walk, a dance session, yoga, or a gym workout. The key is to find what makes you smile when you sweat. Tip number 3. Rest your brain, recharge your happiness. Your bed isn't just a cozy shelter. It's also a gateway to a better, brighter day. Sleep is like a secret recipe for a happier you. A good night's sleep, 7 to 9 hours, doesn't just recharge your body. It's a power-up for your mental health. It sharpens your focus, balances your emotions, and helps in making wiser decisions throughout the day. Tip number 4. Hang out and share a laugh. Humans are like puzzle pieces. We fit together. Spending time with friends, family, or supportive communities can work wonders for your mental health. Connecting with others provides a sense of belonging, reducing feelings of loneliness. Whether it's a heart-to-heart chat, a game night, or just a goofy laugh, sharing moments with people who matter can truly brighten your day. Tip number 5. Feed your brain with yummy goodness. Ever noticed how certain foods make you feel instantly better? The secret's out. Your brain loves a good meal too. Fuel your body with colorful veggies, fresh fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats. They are not just tasty. They are your brain's best friends. Eating a balanced diet not only keeps your body in shape, but also fuels your mind with the nutrients it craves. Tip number 6. Stress less, smile more. Stress can sometimes feel like an uninvited guest that just won't leave. But managing stress is a real superhero move. Find your stress-busting technique, whether it's a nature walk, deep breathing exercises, yoga, journaling, or seeking guidance from a mental health professional. Learning how to cope with stress and prevent it from taking over your life is a powerful step towards a happier you. Tip number 7. Small steps, big feels. Ever feel like reaching your goals is like climbing a mountain, too big and scary? Well, it's time to take one step at a time and enjoy the view. Start small, aim big, and celebrate every victory. It could be as simple as completing a book, learning a new recipe, or hitting your daily step count. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a victory. Tip number 8. Thankful thoughts. Have you ever noticed how gratitude can make a bad day brighter? It's like a magic wand that transforms the ordinary into extraordinary. Take a moment each day to reflect on the good stuff in your life. It can be as small as appreciating the sunshine or being thankful for a cozy bed at the end of a long day. This practice of gratitude can shift your focus from what's lacking to what's present, boosting your overall happiness. Tip number 9. Discover your happy hobby. Hobbies aren't just things you do, they are the sparks that light up your soul. Dive into activities that bring joy to your heart, be it painting, gardening, playing an instrument, or indulging in photography. Hobbies are like a breath of fresh air for your mental health. They help in relieving stress, boosting creativity, and providing a sense of accomplishment. And tip number 10, it's cool to seek help. There's one superpower that often goes unnoticed, the power to ask for help. Just as you'd ask a friend for a hand fixing your bike, sometimes your mind needs a bit of tune-up too. Seeking guidance from mental health professionals isn't a sign of weakness. It's a move of courage and strength towards nurturing your mental well-being. So, there you have it. 10 simple yet powerful steps to cultivate happiness in your life. Just like a beautiful garden needs care and attention to flourish, your mental well-being deserves the same. These tips are like seeds waiting to sprout into happiness. Plant them in your daily routine, nurture them with kindness, and watch as they blossom into a garden of joy. Remember, taking care of your mental health is a journey, and seeking assistance when needed is a sign of self-care, not weakness. You are incredible just the way you are.